Most creators waste money on AI tools they don't need. Today, I'm showing you the best free alternatives that actually compete with premium software and when paying actually makes sense. Free tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Runway ML let you test workflows without risk, perfect for freelancers starting out. You'll discover what you actually need before investing. Plus, many free versions have generous limits. The catch? Limited customization and occasional watermarks, but for learning and small projects, they're unbeatable. ChatGPT free tier handles writing and coding beautifully. Canva AI creates stunning presentations instantly. Cleanup removes background objects for free. Synthesia generates videos without paid subscriptions. Descript edits audio like magic. All these tools solve real problems without a credit card. Test multiple tools to find your workflow. Pay when you hit usage limits consistently. Paid plans offer priority support, no watermarks, and advanced features. If you're earning from AI-generated content, invest back. For agencies managing multiple clients, paid tools scale better. Compare, one client project worth $500 justifies a 30 monthly subscription instantly. Use free tools for experimentation and learning. Pay only for tools in your core workflow. Stack affordable options, ChatGPT Plus, Canva Pro, Descript Premium, instead of expensive all-in-one suites. This hybrid method keeps costs under $50 monthly while maintaining professional output quality. Found this helpful? Subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews, like this video, and comment which free tool you're trying first.